What is up, everyone? Scotty Hopp here. Welcome back to probably the worst auto restoration channel in all of YouTube. Right here I got my 1992 Firebird formula. We're trying to rebuild it for under 1,200 bucks. A little background in case you haven't seen the last video. We bought this car for $500. It had a screwed up fender, front bumper, messed up tire in the back, and a few other odds and ends. So that leaves us with $700 to get this thing back on the streets, and probably gonna post it up on Craigslist to see how much money we can get. Based off of the last video, as you can tell, I've taken some things apart. Took off the bad front fender, driver's side fender. If you remember, it was all busted on the side right here where the door couldn't even open all the way. Looked absolutely terrible because that little dent messed up the whole body line of the car. So, new front fender came in. FedEx took like 3 weeks to deliver that. So, the fender's actually at Mako getting painted right now. Should be done by the end of the week. Took off the front bumper, obviously, just mainly to make sure there isn't any super bad damage underneath. The only damage from what I can tell is this bent piece right here. But it's not bad for being in a fender bender. Nothing else is bent, and I'm pretty cool with that. So I also took the time to pop out the dents on the front bumper. It came out all right. I mean, I would say it's about 80% and back to shape. So I did what I could. I mean, we got some low spots right here, right there, and then right in here. But overall, looks good enough for me. Like I was saying, this car isn't going to be perfect for 1,200 bucks. We're just trying to get it good enough to sell it. So that's good enough for me. I mean, it's still pretty bad, but it's nothing like what it was. And surprisingly, the engine and everything runs extremely well. I've probably put on about 200 miles on this car. I mean, it looks super dirty under here. So what we're going to do, we're going to clean everything up. We might paint a few things. And then we're also going to replace the air cleaner because that is like a rusted piece of junk. So I bought one of these for 40 bucks. We're going to slap one of them on there. So I mean, it should look a little bit better. I mean, that's not the solution to all of our problems. So that's just going to make everything look a little bit cleaner. But yeah, if this didn't run properly, we would be way over our budget. And honestly, buying this car probably wouldn't even be worth it. So super happy on how well the 5.0 V8 runs. I mean, it's gutless because it's not the TPI version, so probably puts out like 170 horsepower on a good day. In reality, probably close to like 100. So it's a lot slower than the Vet, but overall, seems like a solid runner and no problems so far. I also took a wire brush to the wheels just for a couple moments. They already look like way better. I'm gonna go through them again on our last detail run at the end. But those wheels are pretty solid. I also put some tire shine just for this video, so you guys are welcome. Same with the back with our new tire on the back. But this paint is pretty bad. I mean, there's chips everywhere. We're just gonna do like paint chip repair as good as we can. I mean, we're just gonna slap it on there. So I also got these pop-up headlights working. They're kind of finicky, so. Oh. We have pop-ups. And they work too. We need to replace this fog light. We just need to mount it back up and it should be good to go. But for being an accident, it's actually not all that bad, so. I mean, we're just waiting on the paint shop now for the fender. And then by next video, I'll probably have those little odds and ends buttoned up. And I might do another video on our super terrible paint chip repair that we plan on doing. It's gonna be so terrible. All the auto body guys and YouTube comments are gonna roast me, but for the budget, I don't even really care because we're gonna get this car sold. The plan was by the end of the month, but FedEx kind of messed that up. So we have like 3 days. We're not gonna get it done and sold in 3 days. The fender won't even be out of the shop within 3 days. There's the bad fender. I mean, we might have been able to pop that out, but I didn't really want to mess with it. The hood's good. We just got to fix up a couple chips. Interior's great. The engine runs super awesome. If that didn't, then our budget would be way over what we planned on doing. So Hope you guys enjoyed. This is the ultimate Trump check stimulus build. For under $1,200, we're gonna get this 1992 Firebird formula on the road. And surprisingly, there was only like 1,017 of these made in 1992, which is pretty cool. I mean, this thing only 1,000 made. So, I mean, it looks like a piece of junk when I say it like that, but you know, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I mean, this is kind of keeping me occupied during this time of quarantine. I mean, look how long my hair is getting. So, next time, hopefully this car will be in a lot better shape, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So peace.